and good evening. Hope your day has been good so far. Well, it's time to make it even better, and that's why I bring to you a brand new episode of Z Connect Season 6. मेरा नाम है प्रिया and the funky little location you see around me is the Bodega Garage at Holiday Inn Barsha, Dubai. So let's kickstart this episode with our question of the day. तो आज का सवाल है कि where in the world were the Special Olympics first held? इस सवाल का रिलेशन आज की एक बड़ी स्टोरी से है, so stay tuned in for that and for the answer to this question. चलो time for the first story of the week and this is about मकर संक्रांति. मेरे ये बोलते ही आपके दिमाग में आया होगा एक बड़ा सा ग्राउंड, मस्त ठंडा मौसम, म्यूजिक, मस्ती और हाथ में पतंग. Yes, मकर संक्रांति is all about kite flying and इसे इसी तरह सेलिब्रेट किया गया at the Bukhara Kite Festival जो हुआ अजमान केम्पिंस्की होटल के बीच साइड पर. अगर आपने ये इवेंट मिस कर दिया तो चलिए मेरे साथ टू वॉच अ फ्यू हाइलाइट्स ऑफ द फन फिल्ड इवेंट.
Hi, this is Uttam here. We are at Kempinski Ajman. This is the third kite festival, the Bukhara Kite Festival. We are all excited. This year it's going to be more better. Last year we had a lot of people coming out, so this year the same old guests and more people are coming. So basically Bukhara Kite Festival is happening for the third year. It's a family day event. A lot of friends, family get together. We celebrate the kite flying. So basically your Sankranti, your Basant and Lori, I could say, all three festivals are together and we're celebrating in Ajman on the beach.
Welcome to Bukhara Kite Festival at Kempinski Hotel Ajman in association with TamQuest and Ajman Tourism. We've been doing this event for the last 3 years and this year we have made it bigger and much better. The elements that we have added are the pure Bhangra, we have got the Dubai drums, we got some exciting stuff for the kids as well. The reason why we're doing this event is more to have a cultural aspect, grown in this part of the world.
क्या आपको पता है कि मकर संक्रांति हर साल एक ही दिन सेलिब्रेट होती है? दैट इज 14 जैन. लेकिन लाइफ में कुछ चीजें हैं जिन्हें सिर्फ एक ही दिन नहीं करना पड़ता. यू कैन डू इट व्हेनेवर यू वांट, जैसे कि चाय पीना. फॉर ऑल द टी लवर्स आउट देयर, आवर नेक्स्ट स्टोरी इज अबाउट दिल्मा टी लाउंज जो एक अपस्केल एलिगेंट कैफे है वेयर यू कैन एंजॉय सम फाइन टी along with some tea inspired food and beverages. You can find the tea lounge in various countries across the world and now in the UAE too. The Tea Lounge has recently opened up at the Ibn Battuta Mall and they had a unique tea blend to offer at their launch event. Let's take you there to witness this yourselves.
I started chasing a wild dream for a number of years. I was quite young. That was the dream of a young man. My dream was to give consumers the finest tea on earth and share my earnings with the poor and the wider community. That remained a dream for 34 years. And finally, when I decided to launch my brand, named after my two sons, Dilhan and Malik, I expected to be beaten, thrashed, and knocked around by the big traders in tea. Tea was then in the hands of traders big and small. I would be the only farmer taking my crop to consumers direct. So, it's a new culture in the tea, for that matter, in any commodity trade.
Right, this is a very special moment because we were all waiting for this launch to take place and happen. It has eventually come true, and my partner, Mr. Ajay Sethi, and I are extremely happy to be associated with a quality brand like Dilmah. I hope it's a long and fruitful association. This is an excellent place to unwind. This is an excellent place to come and visit because tea lounges are not that many in the world, and this is the first of many in the UAE, and we're hoping that it'll be a cracker of a game.
चाय की बात निकली ही है तो why don't we go grab ourselves a cup of गर्म चाय in this ठंडा मौसम and come back after a quick break. और ब्रेक में जाने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि फूडशाला का नया सीजन शुरू होने वाला है बहुत जल्द और इनके ऑडिशंस होने वाले हैं फरवरी में. For more details, keep watching this space and you can also log on to our ZTV Middle East Facebook page. Welcome back. Well, 2017 has been filled with a lot of Bollywood celebrities coming to town. कभी SRK तो कभी नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी. और recently यहाँ पर आए the famous singer Neha Kakkar, the popular stand-up comedian Sunil Grover, the super hit comic जोड़ी Krishna and Sudesh, and सारा ज़माना है जिनका दीवाना Urvashi Rautela. They were here to perform at the Bollywood Hungama event in Dubai, and quite obviously, we were there to capture all the action just for you. So check it out.
We welcome you to Bollywood Hungama, the biggest of 2017.
At the Dubai Duty Free Tennis Stadium today, and we all are really packed and we are all enjoying this amazing concert right now.
We really thank all the artists and our sponsors and supporters for being along with us.
And we really thankful to the audience who always appreciate our effort for coming over here on a weekend and enjoying their lovely time with us.
Absolutely, and this is the first one. More to go, guys, more to go. Keep watching.
Guys, hi, this is Urvashi Rautela and we are here at the Bollywood Hungama concert. So before my performance, I'm just so very excited and I just can't wait to perform on Haseenon Ka Deewana because it's a very something very exclusive, and we are here to perform on Haseenon Ka Deewana and especially on the other songs as well, my songs. So yeah, I just can't wait to perform and get to know a lot of public reactions and audiences, how they feel about the performance. Yeah.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome.
We give you the first performance of the night. Put your hands together for Urvashi Rautela.
कृष्णा और सुदेश, वेलकम टू जी कनेक्ट सीजन 6. एक बार फिर आप दुबई में परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, बहुत हंगामा होने वाला है.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. इस बार सुदेश जी का हम दोनों को मिलके वेलकम करना चाहिए.
आप तो आते रहते हैं और अभी थोड़े टाइम
पहले आए थे अपने रियल लाइफ पार्टनर के साथ, और इस बार मेरे रियल लाइफ पार्टनर सुदेश जी के साथ,
इस जोड़ी के साथ इस बार दुबई में हंगामा करने वाले हैं.
मैं जेन्युइनली फिर से कहूँगा कि दुबई की जो ऑडियंस है, मतलब फुल ऑन पूरी एनर्जी देती है, तो जेन्युइनली वेरी एक्साइटेड.
ऑसम. तो सुदेश बताइए, बॉलीवुड हंगामा में हम आपकी परफॉर्मेंस में क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
देखो, कृष्णा और सुदेश की जोड़ी जो है यहाँ दुबई में आई है, हम बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि मेरे बिना ये नहीं कुछ कर सकते और इनके बिना मैं सब कुछ कर लेता हूँ.
Very good. Okay, so we wish you all the best for Bollywood Hungama. I hope आप बहुत ज़्यादा धमाल, बहुत ज़्यादा हंगामा करें दुबई.
और आप लोग देखते रहिए Z Connect. It's a wonderful show and we are with a wonderful anchor.
Thank you so much.
So put your hands together for Mamu's true bhanje, the very, very talented Krishna.
Thanks for having me here tonight for Bollywood Hungama. I thank all the organizers and everybody here who organized this wonderful event. I love the vibe of Dubai and the people here. They loved me so much and I love them a lot.
The next performer is probably the most interesting and most popular and endearing face on Indian television right now.
Absolutely true. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you none other than Rinku Bhabhi, aka Sunil Grover.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ 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 ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਚਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ. Hey, this is me Neha Kakkar and I'm here in Dubai. मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पे एक कॉन्सर्ट के लिए which is called Bollywood Hungama.
और अब मोहब्बत से let's please welcome on the stage the one and only, the amazingly talented Neha Kakkar.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ 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 ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਚਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ. ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਧੁੰਮਾਂ ਪੈ ਗਈਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ.
म्यूजिक, डांस और मस्ती करना तो हम सब NRIs को पसंद है, लेकिन it's not just मस्ती. We excel when it comes to business too. In fact, some of the most leading businessmen in the Middle East are also Indians. One such name is that of Mr. Vasu Shroff, chairman of the Regal Group, who was recently honored with the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award by the Indian President Mr. Pranab Mukherjee himself. हम पहुंचे इनकी खुशी की इस ग्रैंड सेलिब्रेशन में जो हुआ at the Atlantis Hotel Dubai. Take a look.
Pravasi Bharatiya Samman is one of the national awards that is given to eminent Indians from around the world who have contributed not only to the motherland India but also to the welfare of Indian community where they are residing. I think it's a matter of great pride that this year 2 awardees were chosen for giving this award. One of them was Vasu Shroff ji, and I'm very happy that Vasu Shroff ji have got the award during my tenure here. He is a doyen of Indian community. He has had a long history and his life actually encapsulates the India-UAE relationships.
My dad, Vasu Shroff, is an amazing inspiration, not only for me as a son, but the whole community. He's the father of the whole city, I would say, because he really takes care of everybody and he inspires everybody to grow and take care of people. I remember one sentence he told me: what is the use of having power and money if you can't help others? And that's what I like about him. He looks at helping people selflessly and without any motive.
The dream has come true. Long awaited 1960. After getting first award 1958 from Nehru in Delhi, this is a long awaited Pravasi Bharat Samman Award which I got in Bangalore on 9th Jan. It is the award when Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa to India to liberate India from the Britishers. It is called Pravasi Bharat Samman Award. Luckily, this year I was selected from UAE as a social serviceman.
Mr. Vasu Shroff is definitely making us all proud. Another event जो मुझे आपको बताते हुए बहुत गर्व हो रहा है is that Abu Dhabi is all set to host the Special Olympics World Games 2019, the region's first sporting event for athletes with special needs and disabilities, जो होने वाला है from March 14 to 21st, 2019. I think it's a wonderful initiative. Let's go watch the organizers tell us more about it.
Thank you so much for being here. I would like to share some information about Abu Dhabi World Games 2019. Many people said why or how did Abu Dhabi won this games? The answer is very simple, because Abu Dhabi is the best in the United Arab Emirates, has a long way in serving people with disabilities and humanity in different fields.
My name is Omar Shinawi, the new global messenger. I start Special Olympics in 2006. I will come the Abu Dhabi in 2019 for the Special Olympics event, for opening the ceremony and to say a speech.
Of course, I played horse rider and first of all in 2007 in Shanghai. I won like silver medal, and then I played also in Athens in 2011, and also I won silver and gold medal, and finally Los Angeles I won second and fifth place.
Let's hope the Special Olympics turn out to be the most incredible experience for everyone in the Middle East. Time for a short break, और break के बाद होगी कुछ भविष्यवाणी. Keep watching Zee Connect Season 6. Welcome back. So like I said, time to know आगे क्या होने वाला है. I mean, let's have our third session with Dr. Sandeep Kochhar, जो हमें बताएंगे what to look out for in our 2017 future. So let's go. So we are back yet again with celebrity astrologer Sandeep Kochhar for the third time, जो हमें पिछले 2 हफ्तों से बता रहे हैं about the predictions of 2017. I'm sure you guys have been waiting for this कि वो आएँ और हमें बाकी के zodiac signs के बारे में बताएं. तो चलिए उनसे बात करते हैं. संदीप जी, वेलकम अगेन टू ज़ी कनेक्ट सीजन 6.
थैंक यू सो मच प्रिया.
और अब हम सीधे चलते हैं टू फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट द नेक्स्ट साइंस, जो ज़ोडिएक साइंस है हमारी. तो हम आज किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
तो लिब्रंस विच आर ऑलवेज happening people, the most beautiful, the most handsome and the most creative, and they try to enjoy their life in every possible way. Anything which is creative, or music, dance, drama, acting, painting, fashion, सब चीज़ें beautiful हैं, creative हैं, luxury हैं, they are all fond of all those things, and वो कभी compromise नहीं करते, and I think they are blessed enough to get most of the beautiful things in life. So this is so beautiful. लेकिन कुछ स्ट्रेस इश्यूज थे, बिकॉज अगर लोगों ने टर्मिनोलॉजी सुनी होगी, आपने भी प्रिया ज़रूर सुना होगा कि 7.5 चल रही है किसी की, तो वो उनकी ख़त्म हो जाएगी 26 जनवरी, मतलब ख़त्म हो गई अब तो. और पिछले 7.5 साल से थोड़ा सा एंग्जाइटी था, स्ट्रेस था, थोड़ी सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ की वजह से, या वट एवर द रीज़न वॉज, बट थिंग्स हैव चेंज नाउ and you will feel lot of good things happening. And यहाँ पर astrologically I can tell you one more thing, that Librans who are fond of love obviously, and they want to make it permanent, शादी करना चाहते हैं अगर Librans, तो 12 साल के बाद you're getting this opportunity. कितने लोग हैं इनकी शादी लेट हो गई, उनकी मॉम या उनके पेरेंट्स बहुत वरीड थे, बेटी की शादी नहीं हो रही है, now she is 30 or 32 or whatever. तो उनके लिए मैं कह सकता हूँ कि Librans they might get married from 12th of September. The transition of Jupiter, which has come after 12 years on your moon, is clearly promising a marriage. सो दैट इज़ आई थिंक अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। हेल्थ वाइज मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहता हूँ कि थोड़ा सा ठीक है, पीछे स्ट्रेस था, कंसर्न था, तो थोड़ा सा ईटिंग हैबिट्स को चेंज करिए, थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करिए, थोड़ा सा डू सम मेडिटेशन, डू सम योगा, बिकॉज मेडिटेशन से होता क्या है आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल कंट्रोल में हो जाता है, यू बिकम मोर हैप्पी, मोर कंटेंट एंड मोर इंट्यूटिव इवन। So I think these are good advices which I am giving you, and if you can follow it, then I think it will be a great idea.
Yeah, I think and Librans have always been in a happy zone, as Sandeep said कि हमेशा अपना passion follow करते आए हैं and have always been in good and creative fields. तो आगे भी ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा आपके लिए. For all the Librans out there, have a good 2017. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं for the next sign which is Scorpio.
बिल्कुल, you are absolutely right, Priya, as always. And Scorpions are very difficult people. Now you ask me why.
Tell me.
The reason is, they are the most sensitive people because they have a tendency to go deep into everything. And मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि we need to let go things. ये इनको let go करना नहीं आता. और more on the emotional side actually. तो hurt हो जाते हैं. Saturn was troubling you since last 2.5 years. एकदम चांद के ऊपर जा रहा था. Narendra Modi has the same Scorpio moon sign. And 26 of January से अभी जब Saturn निकला है, believe me, all the Scorpions will feel good. They will feel light. और जो stress का, जो anxiety का जो situation था, you will come out of it. तो काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है, कुछ टर्बुलेंस आपको नज़र आया होगा, कुछ चेंजेस आपके वर्क फ्रंट में आए होंगे, हो सकता है किसी ने घर बदला, किसी ने जॉब बदल ली, और अगर नहीं बदली है तो अभी भी 8 महीने का वक्त बाकी है. तो आई थिंक गो विद द फ्लो. आई थिंक दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी ए गुड ईयर बिकॉज सैटर्न हैज मूव्ड, यू हैव चेंज, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग डिपेंड ऑन योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. सो व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज़ वन लाइफ एंड यू द ओनली पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ इज़ हैप्पीनेस. So if you can work on that kind of thought, then believe me, you will be in a better state, and 2017 is going to be a brilliant year for you.
Superb. और health wise कैसा रहेगा इनके लिए?
Health, I always believe, मैं क्या मतलब scientists even doctors, they always say everything is psychosomatic, bodily disorder formed by human brain. You will be surprised कि आप कोई भी latest medical journal Google कर लीजिए, bottom line में लिखा होता है due to stress. Any disease, every disease is due to stress, and stress is what? It is a state of mind. So when you are thinking too much, when you are thinking all the time, or maybe you are thinking negative, then आपकी जो anxiety है वो stress में convert होती है, and then some physical ailment you attract and you become sick. So if you want to be healthy, please be happy.
Superb. It's a very good message. I think it's not just for Scorpions but for everybody out there. Try to be happy so you can have a better future and a better 2017. चलते हैं फिर सैजिटेरियस की तरफ.
ऊपर वाला भी आपको ज़रूर आपसे मोहब्बत करेगा और जो आप चाहते हैं उसमें आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी, बिकॉज ये साल आपके लिए बहुत ही इवेंटफुल जाने वाला है. गुड ट्रांजिशन ऑफ जुपिटर विल हेल्प यू टू गेट वॉट एवर यू डिज़ायर फॉर. इट इज़ अ वेरी बिग स्टेटमेंट फॉर देम. एंड देर इज़ वन कैच, जो आपको उतना परेशान नहीं करेगा. जो मैंने कहा कि स्कॉर्पियन का थोड़ा स्ट्रेस कम हो रहा है, तो सैटर्न इज मूविंग ओवर, हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड एक्चुअली ऑन सैजिटेरियस. So there could be some kind of stress, but Priya, I will take it as a positive stress because this kind of stress is more related to the better opportunities which you would be getting.
Okay.
So maybe responsibilities. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि take it in your stride. जितने भी आपको जिम्मेदारी आपकी बढ़ रही है, believe me, it will help you to grow further and you might be doing something better. बाकी एक चीज़ मैं और ज़रूर बताना चाहता हूँ कि कुछ डिलेज हो सकते हैं फ्रॉम अगस्त सितंबर ऑनवर्ड्स, बट दैट इज़ ऑल राइट. कहते हैं कि सब्र का फल मीठा तो ज़रूर होता है, तो हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ पेशेंस.
तो सबसे बड़ी बात, सबको पेशेंस रखना चाहिए. और तो फिर हेल्थ वाइज इनके लिए कुछ
हेल्थ के लिए यही कह सकता हूँ कि सैटर्न जब ऊपर आ रहा है, आ गया है बेसिकली, तो वो जैसे मैंने कहा कि यू माइट बिकम मोर ऑक्यूपाइड, आपके पास वक्त नहीं है खुद के लिए, घर पे कम टाइम दे रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा मेडिटेशन करिए, थोड़ा सा ट्राई टू गिव क्वालिटी टाइम एट होम विद योर वाइफ, विद योर चिल्ड्रन, विद योर फ्रेंड्स और हूएवर और मे बी योर कलीग्स. तो वो वक्त गुजर जाएगा इन ए पॉजिटिव वे. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ गुड एडवाइस फॉर देम.
तो ये थे आज के 3 साइंस और बाकी की 3 जो बच गए हैं वो लेकर आएंगे हम अगले हफ्ते. थैंक यू सो मच संदीप जी फॉर बीइंग ऑन द शो अगेन.
वेलकम.
तो आपकी आने वाली घड़ी क्या लेकर आएगी इसका इंडिकेशन तो आपको संदीप जी ने दे ही दिया, लेकिन मेरी घड़ी कह रही है कि इट्स टाइम टू रैप अप दिस वीक्स एपिसोड. सो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे था कि वेयर इन द वर्ल्ड वर द स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स फर्स्ट हेल्ड, एंड द आंसर इज शिकागो यूएस, जो हुए थे 1968 में. Thank you for all the feedback you guys keep sending in to us, but we are always hungry for more, so keep writing into us on our Facebook page या फिर हमारे Twitter handle पर. I'm gonna catch some more exciting updates for you, and like this board right behind me says, I'm gonna be back here very soon. So here's me, Priya, saying stay tuned until our next episode of Z Connect Season 6.